I'm going to taste Korean popular snacks, noodle, and drinks. You can buy them in any Asian supermarkets. I got all these items from 99 Ranch supermarket. I'm going to take this Poro Drink made by Paldo Food Company. Paldo is a major food company in South Korea. Pororo, the little penguin, is a famous Korean cartoon. Before we drink it, we need to take out this covers. Put this back. Let's drink it. Take out this cover. Good mango flavor. Good taste, not too sweet. Good drink. I'm going to take this Korean style noodle with black bean sauce and pork. This is made in the United States because pork cannot import into the United States. It's frozen food, so if not used, must put it back to freezer. And they are uncooked, and we must cook it on stove top. And there are 2 noodles and 2 sauce. Put the noodle on stove top for over 3 minutes and mix with the sauce, and we put on some boiled pork belly, mixed vegetable, and green onion. Taste it. Noodle. Some vegetable. Pork. Onion. Yeah. Taste. It's a little bit sweet and not sweet. Very good taste. I'm going to taste the sweet and soft cookie made by Orion. Orion is a major food company in South Korea. This is a popular snack in South Korea. Open it. Taste it. Cookie snack. Sweet and soft. Very good. Not too sweet. It's a good snack. Let's open this. Taco chips. Open this shrimp chips. Let's open this banana cake. Let's open it. Sweet rice snack. Two savory snacks and 2 sweet snacks. 2 savory snacks are shrimp chips, taco chips. 2 sweet snacks are banana cake and sweet rice snack. Try the shrimp chips first. Good shrimp smell. Good taste, crispy. That's good. It's taco chips. Good seafood smell. It's crispy and not too salty. Very good. This is the sweet one, banana cake. Banana smell. And soft taste. This is the sweet one, the sweet rice snack. It's crispy. The rice taste, not so sweet. Very good snack. More for snacks, I like this Tako chicken. I'm gonna taste this shrimp snack made by Paldo from South Korea. Paldo Food Company is a major food company in South Korea. Cut it open. Very strong shrimp smell. It's very crispy. Got very strong shrimp taste. Not too salty. That's good. Now compared to the famous Nongshim shrimp snake, this one got much more stronger shrimp flavor. I'm gonna taste roasted dark barley tea, Unsweeten, made by Jinro company. Jinro is the major drink company in South Korea. I'm going to open it. Now, okay. Smells. Strong barley smell. Got very good strong barley taste, unsweetened. I'm gonna taste this drink cake, chocolate flavor, made by Lotte. Lotte is a major food company in South Korea. I'm gonna open it. Open this. There we go. Okay, so there are 6 packs in one box. Let's open one and taste it. Cut it open. Now, the chocolate flavor. Take a bite. It's good. The chocolate outside and cream inside. And not too sweet. Very good. Good taste. Drink the tea. That's good for afternoon snack.